Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Nokia 8.1, for the first you have to open your calendar. And mine is right here. Click here 2 times and then got it. Click in this right corner, select event. In the upper section we have to add the title. And also we can set up here other things. For example, we can add the notification. If you got everything, just tap save. And here we got our event. So for example, we can change it, open or just delete. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.